Hello everyone. Here we have given two numbers. The first one is 1.01 raised to the power 100 and other is 2. We have to compare which number is larger. Let we start with the solution. We take 1.01 raised to the power 100. As we know that we can write 1.01 by multiplying 100 times as its power is 100, so we can write it as this. I have written this up to 100 times. 100 factors are multiplied. Now it can be written as, this can be written as 1 plus, it can be written as 1 plus 0.01, 1 plus 0.01, 1 plus 0.01, and so on, 1 plus 0.01, 1 plus 0.01. These are again 100 terms which are written. Now we can write it as 1 plus, we can write 0.01 as 1 over 100. 1 plus 1 over 100, 1 over 1 plus 100, and so on, 1 plus 1 over 100 times 1 plus 1 over 100. Now we are using here a trick. I am going to write it as 1 over first factor as it is 1 plus 1 over 100. I am writing this factor as 1 plus 1 over 101. This factor as 1 plus 1 over 102, and so on. This factor will become 1 over 1 plus 198, and this factor 1 plus 1 over 199. Okay, what will be with the equality and why we have written in this manner, it will be discussed. This is the same factor. If we compare the second factor, 1 is as it is, here is 1 over 100, but here is 1 over 101. So if we compare these two numbers, then 1 over 101 is smaller than 1 by 100. So it means this factor, which is 1 plus 1 over 101, is smaller than this factor. On the same lines, these factors in this relation, all the factors except first factor are smaller than the corresponding factor in this one. So we can write it as this is smaller than the previous relation. Now we take LCM. This will give us, after LCM we will get 101 over 100 times 102 over 101, 103 over 102, and so on. This will become 199 over 198, and this will become 200 over 199. So if we see that these all will cancel out and so on, only we will get 200, this one term in the numerator and only this term in denominator, and which is equal to 2. Since this side is smaller than this side, left side is greater due to this relation, so it means 1.01 power 100, this is greater than 2. Thus 2 is a smaller number as compared to 1.01 power 100. That is the answer. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe it and give a thumbs up for the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.